Welcome to my world of balloons. This morning I wake up way too soon, but here is the result. Ctrl-Alt-E, well, first of all, right, update. Make sure you get the latest packages in. And then you'll see that it says, vollständige Systemaktualisierung wird gestartet. Es gibt nichts zu tun. What does that mean? It means that we are now working on the Entwicklung Grafik Internet Zubehör, ein deutsches Maschine, ja, eine deutsche Computer, Energieverwaltung. In ATT, thanks to a user who gave us the idea, right? Give us ideas. And we put Claude to work. And we have here the locale. Locale has been 10 iterations, but I think it feels now great, right? We have the possibility to switch languages in desktops. i3, BSPWM, awesome. They couldn't care less, right? That it's not that they have translation matrices. This does. Mate, Cinnamon, Plasma, XFC, they have their people who years back, right, translated everything into the language that we now have chosen. So this is what I've been testing. Last one was German, so English was the default. That's what we release with. So in Calamares, you decide that language, it becomes that language. But afterwards you can rethink it and say, oh, now I'm gonna go for Spanish, right? And then apply. And all the available locales are here. It's just a drop down. And you choose something else and you change, right? Make sure you take a UTF-8. That's probably the best tip I can give you. Some of them, I suppose, don't have it. I should ask Claude. Some of them don't. So they don't have it. The UTF-8, which is, yeah, strange, but it's the list that comes from Arch, right? I have no clue what all these languages are, but I'm sure if you go to the Arch Wiki, you figure out what BA stands for and all that, right? So there's a long list of languages, Chinese languages, Hong Kong, I think, Singapore, SG, I don't know, Taiwan. I have no clue, it's just common sense that I'm saying here. These are more the languages here in Europe, so English, German, Italian, Spanish, and all the others. So you just select it and say load available, apply, and that's basically what happened. And then you say here, up here, let's go to French. Apply, system locale set to French, log out to apply, which means I need to, I think, do more than log out. So I'm gonna shut down and let it reapply fully to be certain that all is gone. And that the translation basically is nothing more than that. XFC reacts on your language and say, oh, look, it's Spanish, or look, it's English, and it provides the GUI, right, the desktop, the translation for it. So that's our session, that's okay. Now we have développement, right, code, and so there's still some things. Graphism is still French. Visionner vos we've changed, sorry. So visionner vos images facilement. Yes, I've been testing so long, right? Switching languages. So this is French, pare-feu, firewall, right? Pare-feu, contrôle du volume, disque et média amovible, right? Questionnaire d'alimentation, profil de couleur, affichage. So that's working just fine. What was an issue as well is if we update things, you have accents and now they work, right? À jour. Otherwise, it was a strange little thing that we could not read. So everything is now fixed after, like I said, a few iterations. Doesn't matter, it's my time. But we provide you with a great tool, right? And ATT is that, a tool for anything Arch. It says ArchLinux Tweak Tool, not Kiro Tweak Tool. So when we are on another system, we can actually say, oh, let's switch around. And even in more detail, right? In monetary things, you want to have euros or you want to have dollars, you can actually say per language. I'd like this to be in a different kind of language here. So it's a choice. Numeric is better. Monetary, and the time. Time is also often an issue. Month, day, year does not compute for us. It's day, month, year. Otherwise, our brains get confused. Really are in Europe side here. Anyway, voila, that's the change. Try it out, see if everything is working. Report back. Where? GitHub discussions. That's where we are. Report with images. We drop the images in Claude. Claude fixes it. Everybody happier. Cheers.